In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm subscribers on Convertkit. Whether you're a seasoned user or completely new to Convertkit, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of ensuring your subscribers are confirmed, which is a crucial step in building and maintaining a healthy email list. First things first, begin by navigating to Convertkit's homepage. It's important to start from the official site to ensure you're working in the right environment. Once you're there, you'll notice a compelling interface waiting to be explored, but for now our focus is on logging in. So go ahead and click on the login button, which should be easily visible. After clicking login, you're now prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used when you initially signed up, or the one you've set as your primary contact in Convertkit. Fill in your email address, ensuring correctness to prevent any login mishaps that could delay your tasks. Next up, you'll need to enter your password. This is a critical step, as having a strong password helps in safeguarding your account against unauthorized access. After entering your password, click on the login button once more to access your Convertkit dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From managing subscribers to creating engaging email campaigns, it's the control room for your email marketing efforts. Now that you're logged in and in the dashboard, your next step is to click on landing pages and forms from the sidebar. This section is where you manage how subscribers come into your list, making it a pivotal area for growing your audience. From here, select an existing page, the one for which you're looking to confirm subscribers. Existing pages are your active campaigns that are already in motion, collecting emails and engaging your audience. Once you've found the page you want to work with, click on it to proceed. After selecting your desired page, it's time to click on Edit. This action will take you into the editing interface, where you can make changes directly to your landing page or form. It's a versatile space that allows for creativity and functional adjustments to enhance user experience. Now navigate to the Settings tab. It's within these settings that you'll be able to fine-tune the specifics of your page or form, including configuring confirmation settings for new subscribers, which is our goal today. Next, proceed to click on Incentive. The incentive section is particularly important in Convertkit because it deals with the confirmation emails. These are the emails that verify a subscriber's intent to join your list. It's an extra step to ensure they're genuinely interested and helps in maintaining the quality of your audience. In the incentive section, you'll find an option to edit email contents. This is where you can customize the confirmation email that subscribers receive. It's your opportunity to make a great first impression, so consider personalizing the message to reflect your brand's voice and values. After customizing your incentive email, the final step is to click on Save. This action solidifies all the changes you've made, ensuring that the newly edited confirmation email is the one that goes out to your next subscriber. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to navigate through Convertkit's interface, but also how to confirm subscribers efficiently. Remember, the confirmation step is not just about growing numbers. It's about building a community of engaged individuals who genuinely want to hear from you. So take this process seriously and use the opportunity to welcome your new subscribers properly. Now that you know how to confirm subscribers on Convertkit, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of email marketing. Keep experimenting with Convertkit's features to craft compelling campaigns that resonate with your audience. And as always, stay focused on delivering value with each email you send out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy emailing!